In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, reach Settings, then go to Wallpaper and pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers. Let me go with the casual wallpapers album. And here you can pick the album. For example, if you'd like to put some earth picture, just click on earth. Actually, it's landscape then. Also the art, life and so on. It's like up to you. So let me pick maybe cityscapes. Pick the one that you would like to apply then. If you will tap on it once, you can check how it looks. Just give me a sec. I think I've got a weak network connection, that's why that is not yeah, but it's no longer blurred. So this is how it looks. You can obviously manage it by yourself however you like. Let me leave it this way. Tap on confirmation mark and then decide if it's just for your home screen, your lock screen or both of them, and I will pick both. And as you can see, that's it. From now on you've got this brand new wallpaper on your home screen and also lock screen. So let me just show you the lock screen. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.